Take a ride in the 2015 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, driver lumbar, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, aluminum wheels. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Subaru CPO vehicles have no secrets. You'd never have to wonder about vehicle history, reliability, and durability. Qualifying vehicles have passed through a stringent process determined by Subaru of America. When shopping for a pre-owned Subaru, the best place to look is your Subaru dealer.